Create a floor by using the Floor tool in the Architecture tab. First, select the floor type in the Properties. Then, select the level and set the required offset. By default, the top of the floor is aligned to the level. Then, draw the floor using boundary lines. Use the line or rectangle tool to create a closed border. Click the green check to complete. You can also use the Pick Lines tool. This is used to constrain the floor boundaries to each wall. That means that if a wall is moved, the floor will automatically be adjusted. 4 basic floor tips. Number 1. Activate Select Elements by Face to pick floor. Selecting a floor can be annoying and difficult because often the boundaries are under other elements. To solve this problem, activate Select Elements by Face on the selection tray. You can now click on the face of the floor to select it. Tip number 2. Use Shaft to create a hole in the floor. Use the Shaft tool in the Architecture tab to create a hole for stairs or a mechanical shaft. Draw the boundaries you want to remove. Then, use symbolic lines if you require a symbol to represent the shaft. Use the properties to adjust the shaft vertical limits. Shafts affect multiple floors as well as ceilings and roofs. Tip number 3. Create a slope in your floor. To adjust the slope of your floor, use the Modify Sub-Elements tool and pick a point. Set an offset to that point. A slope will automatically be created. You'll find more information on how to create slope in the roof chapter. Tip number 4. Edit floor structure. Like walls, you can set multiple layers of materials for each floor type. A specific element to floor is that you can use a profile family like steel deck for the bottom of the floor. As you can see, by using structural deck function, we mimic a deck profile.